Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a recent Dollar Tree haul that I did. I picked up a lot of fun goodies, organization things, and I thought I would share them with you guys. So I picked up two of these Cooking Concepts silicone sink strainers. They're the same, they're black, they're just the rubber. I have one right now that I got at TJ Maxx Marshalls. It has metal and rubber, and the metal's getting real rusty. So I saw these and I thought these would be really good to have, especially because they're rubber. They'll be easier to clean. So I picked up two of those. I also picked up these Betty Crocker Easy Seal storage containers, 0.5. They're the real tiny ones, like for snacks and things like that. Thought that would be really nice to put like nuts and stuff in and throw in your purse. I picked up these ramekin sauce cups. There's 3 to a pack. And I picked up these, my kids like to sometimes have salsa and chips, and they will usually get a really big bowl and then waste it. So I got these for them to kind of help with that. I got a butter dish, looks like that, from Cooking Concepts again. It's ceramic as well. I had a plastic one, it broke. So I thought I'd pick up another one. I did get the shampoo I've shared with you guys before. This is the VO5 Dry Scalp Shampoo. It is 11 fluid ounces. I told you guys my daughter really loves this and my husband for their dry scalp. So I picked up 3 because the last time that I went, I could not find any more of them. And so to avoid that happening, I went ahead and got 3 of them. Picked up this SureFresh Professional container and lid. It looks like that. Looks like this. This is supposed to be a microwavable bowl. So I thought this would come in handy when we're trying to do like warming up things in the microwave. It is a 63 fluid ounce, I guess. It looks just like that. Comes with the lid. Really nice. Thought that would be great. I picked up this here, the Essentials Drawer Organizer. It looks like that. It is a 9.75 inches by 6.75, and it has the non-grip. I got this because I have more skincare and hair products on top of my bathroom counter, so I thought this would be good to use for that. One of these organizers, the clear ones, that has the 3 compartments for more jewelry. I have a lot more jewelry I've gotten recently and just need a place to store everything. I did pick up 2 of these containers here. These are the SureFresh container and lids. It is a 10 cup. Looks like this. Picked up 2 of them because they're going to be really nice, like when I cut fruits and stuff to store in the refrigerator, keep them fresh. So they look like that. Again, really good containers, I'd have to say. Next couple of things I got, these are some containers. So I'm going to be making some floral, with the help of a friend, some floral arrangements. So I picked up these 2. I was looking for the shorter and fatter ones, but these are the ones they had. So I went ahead and picked them up because I thought they would be nice to put somewhere in the house. They're tall, so it'd be really nice. And then I picked up 2 of these containers. They're supposed to be like little lemonade or tea containers, I guess you would say, with the little spout nozzle here. And I got 1 in each color. And a friend of mine, she had said that she saw a video where people were using these to put their detergents and softeners. And so I thought that was a great idea. She gave me the idea. She's the one who saw it. And she told me, and I was like, that is a great idea. So you're not having the bottles on top of the washer and it looking all tacky. So really excited about these. Great idea. Thank you again, Sabrina. I appreciate that tip. I can't wait to put that in those. All right, and then I picked up 2 Glade sprays. They had this one again, the Sultry Spice Rhythm. You guys know I've got this before. I like it. But they had this one, the Bamboo Bliss Song, which is Lotus Blossom and Fresh Moss. That looked pretty interesting, so I picked up that one as well. These Equal Tools facial mask sponges to remove masks and cleanse skin, made with natural cellulose, cruelty-free, tear-free paper, and recyclable. So basically these are sponges that you wet and you can remove your mask. What I thought of doing is using these to remove my Pond's Cold Cream because you can't rinse it. It doesn't come off or get the makeup off, and I've been using makeup wipes, but it's kind of been a little irritating, so I got these that I thought would be super great. Equal Tools is a pretty pricey, not real pricey, but it's definitely a little bit up there in price, so I got 2 of those because I thought it would be really good to take that Pond's Cold Cream off. So yeah, I picked up 4 of these travel bottles. You get 3 in there for $1. I picked up 4 of those for each of us for an upcoming vacation. Thought that was really good. I did pick up the Shadow Switching Sponge. I've heard a lot of good things about this. My friend Jessica here on YouTube from Behind the Vanity uses this. She raves about it. My friend Sabrina recently tried this and she really likes it, so I'm going to give it a try and see what I think. My daughter and son need a deodorant, so I picked these 2 up. These are just the Suave. This is a Suave Active Sport for men, and then the Baby Powder. Picked those up for them. Little mini deodorants because thought they would be great for travel. I picked up these 2 for me and my daughter. They're the Degree Motion Ultra Clear Black and White. I guess it's not supposed to get on your clothing. Right there. And then I picked up for my husband and son. They can see who wants what. This one's the Dove Men Care Clean Comfort, and this is the Men Degree. They are all 1 fluid ounce. That is what it looks like right there. And that should be enough for us. I did see this for my husband and son to bring. It's very compact, travel friendly. It is the Dove Men Care Ultra Cream Hydra Cream for face, hands, and body. I've never seen that there. And I thought Dove creams can be pretty pricey, so I also did pick up this container to put more cleaning products under my kitchen sink. They have new colors. It's pretty big. And then I found 3 makeup items. I found the Beauty Benefits. This is the Ray of Light. It's saying that it's a highlighter. Let's just go ahead and open it. I thought that if it's not a great highlighter, I can even use it, or still, I could use it as a lid color, you know, on my lids. So that is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Doesn't feel super creamy. A little bit, doesn't have a smell. But that is what it looks like right there. Can barely see it. It's right there though. Thought that would be pretty to put on the lid if all else fails. So it's not bad. Maybe wetting it would be a little better. Alright, and then I got the Lasting Blush in Rose Copper. Now, I don't know if I could use this as a blush. It looks like it might be a little dark. But if all else fails, I thought I could use this as another eyeshadow. And just put it on the lid. That is what it looks like. It's like more of a rosy bronze gold versus the rosy gold. That is what it looks like. It's pretty pigmented. It's pretty. It does, when you rub it on though, it doesn't come off as rosy. But that's not bad. Maybe wet, it'll be even better. And then the last makeup item that I picked up is this High Shine Nude Caramel, same brand, Beauty Benefits, So Lit lip gloss. It looks like the packaging right there. It is a gloss. It's a pretty color. Oh, it smells good. That is what it looks like. Very pigmented, not bad. Definitely will let you guys know what I think on that, all that. These two here, they're lilies right there. And then I got these two, which are a little bit taller because we want to do maybe a tall one. These are gladiolas. They're really pretty. I did pick up this frame. This is a 8x10 black frame. I think their frames are decent. I wouldn't say they're the best or the worst. Picked up these Snyder's of Hanover mini pretzels. It is a 10-ounce bag. Thought this would be good to have as a snack. Himalayan pink salt, fine grain, right there. This is a 1-pound bag. So pretty decent bag. I heard Himalayan salt's supposed to be really good for you, and I was very surprised to see this at the Dollar Tree. The Bumblebee seafood packages. So each pack right there, it's a 2.5 ounce. It has a little spoon that you can eat it on the go. We love to eat tuna, so this would be nice. I got 3 of the lemon pepper. And then I got 2 of the spicy chai chili. And that's the Bumblebee brand. So that was really good to see those there because they're over $1 like at Walmart. It's everything that I picked up in my recent Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out your Dollar Trees because they are really getting a lot of great things. They're moving a lot of stuff out and bringing a lot of stuff in. So definitely check them out. This was more of a haul for necessities and things like that. I love going to Dollar Tree, finding a lot of great things, especially for organization. I think that you cannot beat the things that you find there and the prices. You just have to know what you're looking for when you go. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.